Hey guys, this is part 4 of trying to get Chef Elliot. By the way, the 3 dots was part 1. I put the 3 dots because the freaking rabbits won and I was literally surviving and I was about to win. I'm sorry, Charles, I didn't tell you all of it when I said I was bad at you again. Yo, how come every time I say I'm trying to get Chef Elliot, it does Cool Carnival? Like every time. And again, it's trolling me. Why does this game always troll me? Last part, like part 3, I think it was. Yeah, part 3. What the hell is this? Is that Gubby? No, dummy.
If you had one, would you play with me?
Yeah, I can't do this, bro.
You would?
Every time I do this, it freaking trolls me and makes me a freaking rabbit, and I already have paintballer.
Wait, you would play with me if you had enough?
Shut up! Okay, that was the end of the video. I hate my life.